Yeah, I'm here in this on the national highway in Pune, which definitely falls in my constituency. But here, what has happened? A lot of accidents with the diversion which have taken place by NH, National Highway, of widening of the road and culverts being built here, constructed here. A lot of accidents taken place, almost more than 10 12 accidents taken place. So immediately in the morning, the councillor Malin gave me a call, and immediately I called up Mr. Srinivasan Rao, and immediately deputies persons here. Now we are taking all precautions as to how the things should be avoided, accidents should be avoided, because actually main problem is Rajya problem there's a there's a curve here, acute curve here, which is getting a problem, and moreover this which is here in the center, I told them to take it behind and widen, just give a little more, cover up the road there in the front and behind too at this angle, so that and put all the signboards and whatever safety measures are required, because accidents should be avoided. Almost about 10-12 accidents taken place as of now in these few days. So immediately I rushed here and I met the engineers. Patak is here, Tushar Tia is here, and all the people are here, and they said they would do it by today. They would work on it and try to take all the precaution measures to avoid accidents.
एक पळोवपाक दिसता की हे व्हडले हायवेचें काम चालू आसतना तांच्यांनी एक डायवर्जन बोर्ड मारूंक ना जावं सिग्नल घालूंक ना. रातच्या टायमार लोकांक खूब डिफिकल्टी येता. जेन्ना पळयता तूं पणजेच्यान मडगांव काम तेंच्यांनी प्रत्येक जाग्याचेर डायवर्जन सिग्नल सगळें मेन्शन केल्लें ना. ह्या रोडाक तारी कडच्यान जो हांगा चल्ला पळय पेडण्या तो सगळो तसोच काम चालू आसा विथावट सेफ्टी मेजर.
दॅट इज टोटली हे कितें सांगता बरोबर, ते तांचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी न्हू. दे एक्सपर्ट्स ऑफ दे शुड टेक ऑल दीस सगळे मेजर तांचे घेवपाक जाय. I don't know why they neglect this. So I have told, I spoke to Rao, I'll be talking to him again. He's in Hyderabad. Okay, Vice President, Mr. Rao, Srinivasan Rao, that they should take proper measures, because final life is important. Hey, काम करतात, government काम करतात, तशें जाय चलचें ना तें.
Will you meet CM regarding this?
I will brief CM on this. Pramod, CM Dr. Pramod, I'll brief him on this immediately right now. क्या काम कर रहे हैं तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो मनने को इधर हम लोग सब ना ऐसा कैसे मतलब हाउ यू डूइंग व्हाट प्रिकॉशन उधर सिग्नल देखो गाड़ी ऐसा इधर कुछ नहीं था, इधर डायरेक्ट स्पीड में नेशनल हाईवे उसको अपडेट करेंगे. वो कभी अपडेट करेगा, कभी वैन ऐसे शुरू कर अभी करना है. तो व्हाट अभी क्या करेगा बोल मेरे को. यहाँ पे रंबल स्ट्रिप करा देगा मिनिमाइज करने को, स्पीड मिनिमाइज करने के लिए वो रंबल स्ट्रिप डाल रहा है. अभी रंबल स्ट्रिप में गाड़ी रुक जाएगा, वो कैसे जा सकते हैं. और कॉशन कोड भी रहेगा, अलर्ट तो करेगा. कॉशन कोड भी डाल रहे हैं. कॉशन कोड डालेगा तो यू हैव टू पुट एयर डालना पड़ेगा. दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. हम डालना पड़ेगा.